Have you ever found yourself asking, why don't my relationships ever seem to work? Maybe you've watched other couples and wondered why it seems so easy for them. Or maybe you've questioned yourself, am I choosing the wrong people? Is there something I need to do? Or maybe you're simply tired of feeling hurt and wondering if things will ever be different. If those thoughts have crossed your mind, this video is for you. Sometimes life becomes very quiet. The messages stop, the phone doesn't ring, and all that's left are your thoughts. You sit there wondering, trying to make sense of it all, not knowing whether to blame them or blame yourself. When a relationship ends, our minds search for answers. Sometimes, am I choosing the wrong people? That's a question many of us have quietly asked ourselves. After the hurt begins to settle, our thoughts often turn inward. Is it me? That's another question many of us have quietly asked ourselves. And sometimes we start to wonder if there's something we could do differently. Why does this keep happening? When the same hurt keeps coming back, it's natural to wonder why. And after everything we've been through, it's easy to wonder if lasting love is meant for everyone else. Will I ever find a relationship that lasts? That's a question that carries both hope and fear, because deep down, most of us simply want someone to love and to be loved by. Those are difficult questions that many of us have quietly asked ourselves at one time or another. But what if we've been looking for the wrong answers? Healthy relationships aren't about finding the perfect person. They're about learning the skills that help love to grow through the good times and the difficult ones. Let's open our Life Skills Toolbox and explore 7 simple tools that can help us build stronger, kinder, healthier relationships. When we see couples who've been together for many years, it's easy to think they were just lucky, that somehow they found the perfect person, or that love simply stayed the same. But healthy relationships aren't built by chance. They're built through hundreds of small choices, and every lasting relationship starts somewhere. Usually it starts just like this. Every healthy relationship starts with hope. 2 people who enjoy being together. 2 people who imagine a future. But no relationship stays exactly the same, because life changes and people change. Challenges come along, and the couples who grow stronger aren't the ones who never face difficulties. They're the ones who learn how to face them together, and that's where our journey begins. Have you ever looked at an older couple and thought, I wish I knew how they made it work? I know I have. Hi, I'm Hallie. Healthy relationships aren't built on luck. They're built on skills that anyone can learn. Let's take a look at some of the tools that help build a love that lasts. Every healthy relationship is different. No 2 people are exactly the same. But the strongest relationships often have something in common. Over time, they develop simple life skills that help them through both the good times and the difficult ones. In every You Got This lesson, we add practical tools to our Life Skills Toolbox. These aren't magic solutions, and they won't make every relationship perfect, but they can help you build stronger, healthier relationships, one skill at a time. Let's open our Skills Toolbox. Our first tool is respect. Respect is one of the most important parts of a healthy relationship. It means being kind, listening to each other, and remembering that everyone's thoughts and feelings matter. You don't have to agree on everything, but you can still be polite, listen, and treat each other well. Respect isn't just for the good days. It's something you choose every day, even when you disagree. When respect grows, relationships grow stronger. Respect doesn't mean you always agree. It means listening to each other even when you have different ideas. In a healthy relationship, both people have a chance to speak. They listen. They care about each other's thoughts and feelings. And they look for a solution together instead of trying to win an argument. Respect is shown in the small, everyday moments, and those small moments help build a love that lasts. Let's add another tool to our Life Skills Toolbox: communication. Every healthy relationship needs honest and respectful communication. It's how we share our thoughts, solve problems, and understand each other better. Let's see what good communication looks like. Communication is more than talking. It's also about listening. It's taking turns to speak, trying to understand instead of trying to be right. Sometimes the most important words are, "Help me understand," or "Tell me how you feel," or "Let's work this out together." Good communication helps people feel heard. And when people feel heard, relationships become stronger. Our next tool is trust. Trust doesn't happen overnight. It grows one small step at a time. Every time you tell the truth, keep your promises, or show someone that they can rely on you, trust becomes a little stronger. Let's see what trust looks like. Trust means knowing someone will be there when you need them. It means helping each other, keeping each other safe, and working together as a team. Trust isn't built through big moments. It's built through hundreds of small, everyday actions. And over time, those small actions build a relationship that feels safe and secure. Let's add another tool: kindness. Kindness doesn't have to be something big. Often it's the little things that matter most. Let's see what kindness looks like. Kindness is often quiet. It's making someone a cup of tea, or offering a helping hand, or simply noticing that someone needs a little extra care. These small acts may not seem important, but they remind people that they're loved, and that's something we all need. Let's add another tool to our skills toolbox: support. Life isn't always easy. We all face difficult days. A healthy relationship means facing those days together. Let's see what support looks like. Support doesn't always mean fixing the problem. Sometimes it simply means just being there, listening, holding someone's hand, or sitting beside them when life feels difficult. Knowing you're not facing life's challenges alone can make all the difference. That's the strength of a supportive relationship. Our final tool is one that brings all the others together: choose love. Lasting relationships aren't perfect. They have good days and difficult days, but every day we have a choice. We can choose respect, we can choose communication, we can choose trust and kindness and support. And when we keep choosing all of those things, we keep choosing love. Love isn't just a feeling, it's something we choose again and again. We choose to be respectful, we choose to communicate, we choose to trust, we choose to be kind, and we choose to support each other. We choose to forgive, and we choose to keep growing together. No relationship is perfect. There will be disagreements and there will be challenges. But when two people keep choosing these everyday actions, their relationship grows stronger with every passing year. because a love that lasts isn't found, it's built. Today, you've added 6 tools to your Life Skills Toolbox: respect, communication, trust, kindness, support, and choosing love. Healthy relationships aren't perfect. They're built by 2 people who keep learning, forgiving, and growing together, and they're built through the choices that we make every day. Now we know why healthy relationships don't happen by chance. They're built one choice, one conversation, one act of kindness, one day at a time. Remember, there are some relationships that do need to end because they're not healthy, and I am in no way suggesting you stay in an unhealthy relationship. But sometimes relationships end because we simply didn't have the tools we needed at the time. The encouraging thing is that relationship skills can be learned. Every tool we added to our Life Skills Toolbox today gives us another chance to build stronger, kinder, healthier relationships. Because a love that lasts isn't found, it's built. One conversation, one act of kindness, one choice at a time. Until next time, take care of yourself. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more life skills. If you'd like to support my work, you can buy me a coffee at the link on the screen, which is also in the description of this video. Your support helps me to create more free life skill lessons for everyone. Thank you again for being with me. You got this.